Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at a compact carry case and screwdriver combo from Lever Gear called the BitVault. You can either clip it to your belt, carry it in your pocket, or attach it to your keychain, and it's a great way to carry and protect the smallest items in your everyday carry. Before we get started, I wanted to thank Lever Gear who sent this out to the channel for review. They're based in Greenville, South Carolina, and they make a handful of different beautifully crafted EDC items. If you want to learn more about them, I'll put a link down in the description below, and you can use the code URBANSURVIVOR and you'll get 10% off. Inside the package, there's a BitVault, a small pocket clip, some dividers for organizing the BitVault, a flathead and a Phillips head bit, 2 small screws for attaching the pocket clip, and an Allen wrench for attaching the pocket clip to the BitVault. Here it is next to my magpull wallet for scale. It has a hard anodized aluminum shell, and you can pick it up in either black or gray. On the bottom, there's a small spring-loaded carabiner clip, which makes it easy to take it on and off of your keychain. On top, there's a die-cast zinc cap, and if you look closely, you'll notice there's 2 different slots for 1/4 inch hex bits. The bits fit in securely, and you can use the 2 included bits, or you can carry your own inside the main compartment. Lever Gear also sells a set of 6 different bits you can add to the BitVault. You can open up the BitVault by pressing down on the 2 metal tabs on the cap and pulling out the interior compartment. The BitVault is designed with a flat profile, which gives you room to carry more stuff than a traditional cylindrical pill holder, and it's also much more comfortable to carry inside of a pocket. You can use the storage compartment as is, or you can install the small transparent dividers to keep the items inside the vault separated. Here's a few different ideas on how you can configure the BitVault. Overall, I think the BitVault is a pretty interesting piece of gear if you need to store a bunch of small items in your pocket, and the bit driver adds a lot of utility. It's nice and slim considering how much storage space it provides, and the BitVault is definitely something to consider if you're looking to add some storage to your EDC. The BitVault is also waterproof, TSA compliant, and it comes with a lifetime warranty from Lever Gear. Let us know your thoughts on the BitVault in the comments below, and if you want to pick one up for your everyday carry, you can find a link in the description along with the coupon code. Thanks for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the Urban Survivor channel for more videos like this one.